What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, we are going to talk about the Ondo Finance. Okay, so a few days ago, on the 19th of January, I mentioned this token on my TG group, crypto channel 329, and the token was at 11 cents. Okay, so today, and I even said it's getting listed on major exchange, which was Coinbase, so it might do well, and it did well indeed. So as you can see right here, from here, it spiked all the way to almost 20 cents. So went from 9 cents to 10 to 22 cents, and over here, all-time high 30 cents. So from the moment that I mentioned it to all-time high, it was almost a 3x, okay, at least 2.5x. And it's not going to stop there because the trading volume was low, but now trading volume is picking up. Look at this. 232 million, okay? So this thing is definitely picking up the pace, okay? And current market cap is 393 million, okay, and total supply 10 billion tokens, and it's been listed on lots of exchanges. Let me just quickly show you where you can buy this thing. They've changed this thing right here. So you can buy on gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin, BingX. You can buy all sorts, okay? And it hasn't been listed on Binance yet. So I believe once it gets listed on Binance, the trading volume potentially will increase. I've also noticed that Coinbase is not here yet, but it has been listed on Coinbase because Coinbase advertised it on their X page. Okay, and all-time low 0.08. Okay, so I came across this token on the 19th when it was around 11 cents. All-time high 30 cents, so it's down. It's down 11% from the all-time high, which was 4 hours ago. So if you click over here, it will take you to this page where you can find more information about Ondo Finance and what can you do with it. Okay, so what are the use cases? So if you come over here to get started, we'll take you to this very extensive white paper where they provide lots of information about it. Okay, so from what I can see, this thing looks really legit, and we got the Founders Fund, Coinbase, and Pantera as backed by Best. Okay, so they are backed by these guys right here. Okay, so that means something. Also BlackRock and PIMCO. And we can see that it has lots of audits. Okay, so we have at least 3 audits right here. Okay, so they're not here to messing about, okay? And yeah, that's why I decided to invest 100 bucks on this token, and let's just see how it goes. So I've got um file right here because I extracted from the white paper, but I would highly recommend it to come and read the white paper to find out more about this thing. But the use cases that I found, at least 4, is you can invest in similar things, in familiar things with crypto. Ondo lets you buy and sell parts of real world assets like US treasuries using crypto instead of going through a normal bank. Okay, point number 2 is easier buying and selling. Ondo's platform makes it quicker and simpler to buy and sell these assets, which can be helpful for investors. Also, they have lower fees, although usually charge less fees than traditional financial institutions for investing in these assets. And finally, invest smaller amounts. Although lets you buy and sell tiny portions of shares, making it more affordable to get started. Okay, again, like I said, more information about Ondo and its protocol right here. So come over here, do your own research, uh, and then after you making your own research, just go ahead and make your moves. So if you go over to the Twitter page, we can see they have 137,000 followers. They've been going on for since 2021, and they've been following. Joe Paris is following them. Okay, And yeah, more information about it, you can find it right here. Okay. But yeah, they are growing, and that's a good sign. So, I decided to invest $100 to see where it takes me. But yes, Ondo is creeping up, and it potentially it can go a bit higher than this. All right. So I tried to find the pre-sale price, and I think it was around 5 cents. So 5 cents. So if you join the pre-sale and sold at all-time high, that was 6x. Okay, so it's the pre-sale stage. But I don't think the all-time high is going to be right here at 30 cents, because you can see right here, this is a brand new coin, and it's just getting started. All right, so it's just getting started, and the trading volume is creeping up as well. So it went from 12 million to 90 million. And as you can see, the daily volume, the trading volume is increasing by day. Okay, so I suspect that this daily trading volume is going to increase even more. Okay, but yeah, that's just my speculation. That being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to leave all the links in the description of this video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.